Okay guys, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year is something new I'm trying today. It's a circuit that Ren at the Energetic Forum posted that he had found. That it's very similar to Aroma's circuit with a small transistor that triggers a larger transistor, which triggers a coil in a bifilar ignition coil and runs a CFL. On this circuit though, they have added another coil. This is a solenoid coil without the inside. It's a hollow coil with nothing in the middle. And in that circuit they showed a whole bunch of CFLs with nothing on the back end. And then on the little transistor, nothing on the base part of it. Well, today I fiddled around all day long with it, and I came across something that was worth posting to show you. I connected that to the earth, and then on this one here I connected it back to the ignition coil. And that right there is 20 milliamps running at 12 volts. That's a 12 volt battery. There's my waveform. Okay, very strange. The way this comes down here, I'm not sure what that means. I'm not familiar with these waveforms, but it's very interesting. And of course it's running the CFL right now, not real bright. There's the little extra coil right there that I came off of and went down through that before I went to the CFL and back to the ignition coil. But the reason I'm posting this right away to show you guys is I came across a phenomena. If I touch the bulb, it changes everything. Well, I'm going to move my hand here, and you can see the waveforms changing here. But that's not the exciting thing. The exciting thing is over here. That goes to 0. Now, I don't know the dynamic of this. It's probably just the meter. But I tried this with an analog meter also, and it just didn't show anything. Now this means that this is below 10 milliamps, and this is the phenomena that Aroma's had. He had a below 10 milliamp system running, and this is the first time I've been able to replicate that. Now this is still running. You can see the waveform is very strange now. I'm going to turn the radio back on here and let you listen to it. It's almost a low guttural frequency that this goes into, but I'm going to let this come back up to 40 milliamps, take it back down to 0. 40 milliamps, back down to 0. Anyway, I wanted to post this and show you guys what I discovered today, and I'm still learning my oscilloscope. I got the manual for it finally, and it's a big, huge, thick thing. It's about that thick, so it's going to take me forever to really learn how to use this. This is a very sophisticated oscilloscope, and I'm very grateful for it. I'm just going to have to learn how to use it. But anyway, that's the latest thing I worked on today, was this new circuit that added this extra coil right here. And I didn't see a whole lot of difference as I fiddled around with it all day long until I came up with this phenomena here. And when I saw that thing go down to 0, I'm going, what the heck is going on here? But it's using power, but it's just using such a small amount. Like I say, this has got to be into the micro milliamps now. And this is what Aroma's swore up and down he was getting, and this is the first time I've seen this. This is below 10 milliamps, at least on that meter. And like I say, you'd have to do a long test and have the right meters to show this, but I tried this on analog and digital, and I came up with the same result. And anybody that looks at that waveform might know what that means. But that's 3 coils. That's a coil in 2 coils in the ignition coil, and a coil on the outside, mounted on the outside of that. And then it's run by the little tiny transistor. And I'm only using one of these 3055s. The second one's just a backup, but it just goes from there to there, and then oscillates the coils and makes the CFL light go. Anyway, that's the latest. Happy holidays.